Biggest mistake I find that people make when boxing up artwork is they think that the tighter it is in their box with cushion, whether it's bubble wrap, peanuts, foam, cushioning, paper, whatever it is, they feel that the tighter it is in the box, the more protection it has. I think that's wrong, my opinion. The tighter it is, the more likely it is to break. So when the mailman puts all those boxes in his truck, stacks them all up, puts all that added pressure on it, that's when damage and bad news typically happens. Kind of the same concept when I cut wood for my frames. So there's about 1/8 of an inch allowance, whether it's with a canvas or glass, because of the wood expands and contracts. Things need breathing room. We all need a little bit of breathing room. Even if it's 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 of an inch, where that package can move in that box, it'll be safer and less likely things will break because of that little bit of movement. No, not if somebody throws the box, it's going to break no matter what. But the tighter it is in the box, the more likely when things get stacked, more likely chance there are that breakage will happen. So a little bit of movement is more ideal.